All right, what up YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and kind of random, but since the last video, ended up moving out to Texas and was getting some runs in with the Supra, and I ended up getting gapped by a S650, and so here we are about a week later, and we just went ahead and purchased a 2025 Mustang GT. This is the base model. I didn't see it fit to buy the premium since I'm going to be gutting the seats, and really there's no point in paying all the extra money just to have my screens connect. So went ahead, got the base model in this gray color, and we have a lot planned for this vehicle. We got Marcus here. You guys remember him from last time I was in Texas, the Texas 2K. But we'll have to grab some of his footage. He recorded mainly all the footage of the buying process because I didn't have my GoPro with me because we were here earlier. You want to hop in? Yeah. But this car has like some of the blackout. It has like some of the blackout badges on it and stuff. See that? But here's the interior.
Yeah, the badges are black, like the GT. Well, actually mine's like that, but like the headlights.
Yeah.
They're like something. Like the side is like black. That's pretty sick.
I didn't bring my hat. Damn, man. This is a different POV.
You're gonna love it. You're gonna absolutely love it. My boy got a crazy deal. We squeezed him.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, bro.
We squeezed him bad.
They were pissed, bro. They had this car. they were pissed, bro. They had this car for literally 2 days, and
we squeezed him bad.
Yeah, I got a pretty good amount for the trade-in. Actually, what I wanted. They gave me way more than I thought, and we ended up squeezing a lot of money off this car. And then they were getting even more pissed in there because I didn't purchase any extra warranty. So that dude's getting pissed at you, bro. He was.
Nah, they tried to go ahead and put that money back that we had negotiated off.
Yep.
They tried to sneak it in. I was like, bro, like, come on now, take all this stuff off. We're gonna avoid all that literally within 30 days before that payment even hits. So there's no point.
But yeah, everything checked out. Payments are good. I got a lower interest rate as well. So like, it just made perfect sense, and for what I'm doing, the cost per horsepower, I guess, is just way better in this car. To build the Supra, to get it to where it needed to be,
the payment's cheaper than the Supra, right?
It is cheaper.
Yeah, bro, you made out big with this car.
Yeah,
bro.
payment's cheaper, interest rates less, bro. So and to build this car to where I want it to be, it is going to be significantly less than what it was going to cost to build the Supra.
Like, bro, you literally can build this car up for how much you bought the Supra for.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, that's how much you squeezed them. That is literally insane. I cannot believe like, the deal he got is so good. I'm thinking about trading my S650 in for it to, like, bro, like, it's
the way we are going to approach this vehicle. I think we are going to go for a Whipple build. So a lot to come over the next few months. Got a lot of stuff to order, a lot of parts, and a little sad to let the Supra go, I'm not gonna lie, but I think this is I think ultimately in the end I will be a lot more happy with this car. And the price I got, it's just crazy, bro. So but I think tonight we're gonna go home. I'm gonna shower. We got a little bit of work to get done, both me and Marcus. We're gonna get this work done. I think we're gonna go out and hit a little meet in like 2 hours. So I'll probably POV drive there. Not gonna be doing any pulls in this. No like wide open throttle, none of that. I gotta break it in for like the first 1,000 miles. So we gotta baby the car for a little bit. This car has like literally 7 miles on it. So, but the miles do accumulate pretty quick here in Texas. It should take me, I've been averaging probably about 100 miles a day, no lie. So about 10 days until the car is broken in, and then and then we're gonna do some test hits, see what it's like, just stock. And then every time I do mod, we'll, you know, keep a progress report. But yeah, I'm gonna catch up with you guys later when we are headed to the meet. All right, so last night ended up not recording going to the meet because literally we just drove. It was like 45 minutes in the dark, so I didn't end up recording that. But right now we're just getting a thumbnail. He's taking a picture for the thumbnail for his channel. And we're just out here cruising, taking a little drive. Not doing nothing crazy. We still got like break-in miles. We gotta do 1,000 break-in miles. That's what he said. Some people, I guess, say you don't have to do it, but I'm gonna do it anyway just to be safe. It is, you know, a brand new car. Started playing with the cluster and everything, and I like this screen. Decided to stick with this one. Picked some blue colors. And I'm not gonna lie, bro. Going from the Supra to the Mustang, I actually really like it. The more I drive the car, I mean, I've only driven it 150 miles, but the more I drive the car, the more I start to like it more. Yeah, this is gonna be like the part of the first video that I recorded yesterday. I didn't record driving to the meet because I didn't want to do it at night, bro. Like,
yeah, you should have. Okay.
Nah, bro. I hate recording at night, bro. That shit is the worst. If I need you to give me a list of videos too, like that should probably follow in order.
Yeah, I got you.
Cause I already know what I'm doing for one of the videos, bro. I'm gonna put Michaela on the thumbnail,
Oh, yeah.
holding the
Window sticker.
yeah, I'm gonna do like the breakdown. I think that's like my most viewed video on the channel with the Supra. Cause I clickbaited it with Michaela. But nah, bro, the more I drive this car, the more I like it, and the more I see the outside, the more like.
You like the gray or the silver?
Yeah, the silver don't really bother me that much. But in the back of my head, I'm always gonna think now, like, what would this look like if it was white?
Wrap it. If it don't look right, just take the wrap off.
Yeah, and just rip off $4 grand for nothing. That shit's expensive. But like even driving it home, cause like what, that was like a 45-minute drive home last night. I like it. I think it has like auto high beam. Yeah. Which is pretty sick. I don't know if like I accidentally turned it on or if it automatically turned on.
No, it automatically turns on. And it's super dark.
Yeah, because it was turning on last night. I was like, bro, what? I still feel like I gotta mess with like the settings in this screen too.
Yep.
So there's like hella settings to go through. But yeah, this is not worth the money for the premium. And bro, I like these seats. These are actually like super comfortable. These are more comfortable than my Supra seats.
No, they are. I like
these seats. Michaela even said she likes them more too. And like the flat bottom. Nah, bro, I'm definitely happy with this for sure. And I feel like I really haven't been going through gas. Like, bro, I'm getting 19 miles a gallon average.
You're just driving it. You're not going crazy.
I know, but say like, still, I thought it was gonna be less than that. I didn't think I was gonna get 19. Yeah, 19 miles. That's not bad, bro. Like, that's really not bad. Do you know what gallon tank this is?
16.
Okay. So it's gonna cost pretty much like the same to fill up as the soup. Also be filling up more often. Probably what, I'll probably get like 100 miles less a tank.
What, on E?
No, I'm saying like just on normal, like 93, I'll probably get like 100 miles less per tank.
Oh.
So I think this one said like 230 on a full tank. Low-key probably more. The computer hasn't read, like that's when the car had like 10 miles. So like the computer probably hasn't even really read it yet. It's probably more than that. The soup I think was like 330.
It's actually
I think it was like 330, bro, on one tank. All right, we are back at the crib. I just want to let you all know. All right, we are back at the crib. I just want to thank y'all for watching today's video. Hopefully y'all stick around to see the build. I'm thinking of potentially going the Whipple route. It was kind of random, this car. I mean, like, I literally decided, I know it's like my first video back in a while, but I decided to move to Houston, and then after getting gapped a couple times in the Supra, by specifically the S650, I was like, you know what, we're gonna go this route instead. And so I decided to go ahead and trade it in the Supra and get one of these. I mean, bro, I can't lie, I love this car. Like, I love the updated interiors on these. The front end is fat as hell, interior fat as hell. The rear end, I think I like the old gen better, to be honest, but I don't know, this might grow on me. The paint, like, see, I want a white paint. This paint's already growing on me, so I think it's gonna take a minute to get used to, but I love driving the car. The Supra, in my opinion, did drive better, but I do like driving this car. It's like a different, like, it's a little bigger, it's a little bit of a different feeling, but I do like it. Also, keep in mind, I haven't broken in the car yet. I still need to hit 1,000 miles, so I have not done any like watt pulls, nothing like that. I've been just driving like literally like a NPC, you know, under 3K RPMs at all times. So, but if you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like, sub to the channel, and yeah, I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.